Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. I had been looking for some quality earbuds that actually stay in my ear no matter what I'm doing, and these ones from EarFun have proven to be fantastic. I've honestly been using them on a daily basis ever since I got them. I love being able to work out and run with them on without being afraid that they're going to fall out of my ear. So they come with different size silicone ear tips, and I found that the extra small size was a perfect fit for my ears. So these are the Air Pro 3 and they connect via Bluetooth. So what's really impressed me the most about these is how well they hold a charge. So honestly, I've only had to charge the actual case less than once a week. So once the case is fully charged, the earbuds can last a total of 45 hours of playtime. Because every time you pop them back into their magnetic case, they immediately start recharging, which is really cool and really helpful. And I just love how compact this little case is. It hardly takes up any room in my purse, or I can keep it in my jacket pocket for quick access. They have a great sound quality. Whether you're listening to music or you're on a phone call, the sound is crisp and clear. And I just love that I don't have to take my phone out of my pocket when I have these on. I can adjust the volume, pause my music, skip songs, and even answer my phone calls by just tapping on the earbuds. And they even have an app that you can download that lets you customize the controls and switch between different types of sound quality. Plus, I love the sleek and slim modern design of these. I literally don't leave the house without them. They have been so perfect for my everyday use, and that's my point of view.